Welcome to our channel. Thank you for joining us. Your support means the world to us. By liking this video and subscribing to our channel, you help us create more fascinating content. Today we embark on a journey to the heart of Yellowstone National Park. This iconic American landscape holds a secret deep beneath its surface. Yellowstone is home to a supervolcano, a force of nature capable of unimaginable power. Our exploration today centers around recent thermal activity within the park. We'll delve into the science behind these events and uncover the story they tell. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of Yellowstone's fiery heart. Yellowstone National Park captivates millions of visitors each year. Its sprawling wilderness, abundant wildlife and geothermal wonders make it a truly unique destination. Vast forests cloak the land, home to creatures big and small. Elk and bison graze in open meadows, while wolves and bears roam the untamed wilderness. But beneath this serene beauty lies a slumbering giant. The Yellowstone caldera, a massive volcanic crater, stretches for miles beneath the park's surface. It's a constant reminder of the immense forces that shape this land. Yellowstone is a land of striking contrasts. Where fire once raged, life now flourishes. Geysers erupt with scalding water, a testament to the heat simmering below. Hot springs shimmer with vibrant colors, painted by thermophilic bacteria thriving in the extreme conditions. These geothermal features are a window into the Earth's fiery core. They offer clues about the forces that drive our planet and the potential consequences when those forces are unleashed. Join us as we delve deeper into the recent events that have shaken this land of fire and water. Yellowstone, for all its beauty, is a landscape in constant flux. Beneath the serenity of forests and meadows, the Earth's breath is palpable. Subtle signs, often unnoticed by the casual observer, hint at the dynamic forces at play. Scientists, with their instruments and keen observations, track these whispers of change. In recent years, these whispers have grown louder. Seismic sensors scattered across the park have detected an uptick in earthquake activity. These tremors, though mostly minor, serve as a reminder of the sleeping giant beneath our feet. The Earth's crust in this corner of the world is restless. On the date of the most recent significant seismic event, those whispers turned into a roar. A significant earthquake, measuring magnitude on the Richter scale, shook Yellowstone National Park. The tremor, felt for miles around, was a stark reminder of the raw power that lies dormant beneath the surface. Park officials and scientists immediately went on high alert. The potential for such an event to trigger further activity, including hydrothermal explosions or even volcanic unrest, is a constant concern. The Earth's crust, fractured by the quake, could provide pathways for superheated water and steam to escape. The earthquake did more than just rattle the ground. It seemed to awaken the slumbering giant beneath Yellowstone. Geysers, those iconic symbols of the park's geothermal energy, erupted with renewed vigor. Old Faithful, known for its predictable eruptions, surprised onlookers with an especially powerful display. Elsewhere in the park, steaming vents and hot springs bubbled furiously, releasing pent-up pressure from deep within the Earth. The ground, normally warm to the touch in these geothermal areas, radiated an intense heat. The air, thick with the scent of sulfur, carried a primal energy. In the aftermath of the earthquake and subsequent geothermal activity, scientists descended upon Yellowstone. Their mission to assess the potential risks and understand the implications of these events. Data poured in from seismic stations, GPS units tracking ground deformation, and thermal imaging cameras. The findings, while not cause for immediate alarm, underscored the dynamic nature of Yellowstone's volcanic system. The recent activity, they concluded, was a reminder of the immense forces at play beneath the surface. Yellowstone, for all its beauty, remains a land shaped by fire and water, a place where the Earth's raw power is on full display. Beneath Yellowstone's captivating beauty lies a realm of immense heat and pressure, the Yellowstone caldera. This cauldron, formed from ancient eruptions, stretches for miles beneath the park. It's a constant reminder of the powerful forces that shape our planet. Here, deep within the Earth's crust, molten rock known as magma simmers and churns. This magma chamber, the lifeblood of Yellowstone's thermal activity, heats vast reservoirs of underground water. The Earth's crust acts like a giant pressure cooker, trapping this superheated water and preventing it from turning into steam. The result is a subterranean network of boiling water and steam, a hidden world of intense heat and pressure. The heat emanating from the magma chamber doesn't stay confined underground. It radiates upward through the Earth's crust, creating a thermal gradient that drives Yellowstone's geothermal wonders. As this heat rises, it interacts with groundwater, creating a complex system of convection currents. These currents carry the superheated water upwards, closer to the surface, where it encounters fractures and fissures in the Earth's crust. These cracks and openings act as conduits, allowing the hot water and steam to escape, giving rise to the geysers, hot springs and mud pots that define Yellowstone's landscape. Among Yellowstone's most captivating features are its geysers. These intermittent hot springs erupt in spectacular fashion, sending plumes of boiling water and steam high into the air. The mechanics behind these eruptions are a delicate balance of heat, pressure, and underground plumbing. As superheated water rises through constricted channels in the Earth's crust, pressure builds. This pressure, combined with the intense heat, prevents the water from boiling at its normal temperature. Eventually, the pressure exceeds the weight of the overlying water, and the superheated water flashes into steam. Geysers are just one manifestation of Yellowstone's hydrothermal wonders. Hot springs, with their shimmering waters and vibrant colors, provide a glimpse into a world teeming with life adapted to extreme conditions. Mud pots, bubbling cauldrons of clay and superheated water offer a glimpse into the Earth's alchemical processes. These features, though seemingly disparate, are all connected to the same underlying forces, the heat from the magma chamber and the complex interplay of water, rock and heat. They are a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet and the forces that have shaped it over millions of years. Yellowstone's beauty belies a turbulent past, a history etched in fire and fury. The park sits atop a supervolcano, a behemoth capable of eruptions dwarfing anything witnessed in human history. These eruptions, spaced out over millions of years, have left their mark on the landscape, shaping the Yellowstone we know today. The evidence of these ancient cataclysms is everywhere. Vast calderas, colossal volcanic craters formed by past super-eruptions scar the Earth's surface. Layers of volcanic ash, remnants of these past infernos, are buried within the park's rocks, a testament to the sheer power of these events. Driving Yellowstone's volcanic activity is a phenomenon known as a hotspot. Deep beneath the Earth's crust, a plume of abnormally hot rock originating from the planet's mantle rises towards the surface. This hotspot acts like a blowtorch, melting the overlying rocks and creating magma chambers. As the North American tectonic plate slowly moves over this stationary hotspot, a trail of volcanic activity is left behind. This movement explains the chain of volcanic centers stretching southwestward from Yellowstone, a fiery scar across the landscape marking the hotspot's path. Yellowstone's super-eruptions have not only left behind scars, they have sculpted the very landscape we see today. The park's iconic features, from its vast calderas to its bubbling hot springs, owe their existence to these ancient cataclysms. The largest of Yellowstone's calderas, formed by a super-eruption some 630,000 years ago, spans a significant portion of the park. This massive depression, now partially filled by Yellowstone Lake, stands as a stark reminder of the immense power that once shook this land. Yellowstone's story is a continuous cycle of creation and destruction, a testament to the Earth's raw power and the relentless forces that shape our planet. Super-eruptions, though rare, are a part of this cycle, reshaping the land and leaving behind a legacy of both destruction and renewal. The volcanic legacy of Yellowstone is not just about destruction. The geothermal features that draw millions of visitors each year are a direct result of this volcanic activity. The heat from the Earth's interior fuels the geysers, hot springs and mud pots that make Yellowstone so unique. Yellowstone's beauty belies a sobering truth. The sleeping giant beneath our feet could awaken once more. Scientists estimate that Yellowstone experiences a caldera-forming super-eruption approximately every 600,000 years. The last such event occurred over 630,000 years ago, suggesting that another eruption could be within the realm of geological possibility. While the thought of such an eruption is undeniably alarming, it's crucial to emphasize that it's not an immediate threat. The Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, a consortium of scientific organizations, constantly monitors the park's volcanic activity, providing timely warnings and assessments of potential hazards. Section 2. When the Earth breathes fire. Should a super-eruption occur at Yellowstone, the immediate impact would be catastrophic. Imagine, if you will, a scene of unimaginable power, a colossal column of ash and molten rock reaching miles into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun and raining down fiery debris across the landscape. The area immediately surrounding Yellowstone, encompassing parts of Wyoming, Montana and Idaho, would bear the brunt of the eruption's fury. Pyroclastic flows, fast-moving avalanches of hot gas and volcanic debris would race across the landscape, incinerating everything in their path. Section 3. A cascade of consequences. The impact of a Yellowstone super-eruption, however, would extend far beyond the immediate blast zone. Vast quantities of volcanic ash carried by prevailing winds would blanket much of North America, disrupting air travel, agriculture and daily life for millions. The sheer volume of ash injected into the atmosphere could also trigger global climate effects. Sulfur dioxide, a potent volcanic gas, would react with water vapor to form sulfate aerosols, reflecting sunlight back into space and potentially causing a temporary cooling of the planet. Section 4. The future of Yellowstone. Despite the potential risks, it's essential to remember that Yellowstone is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. The forces that drive its volcanic activity are also responsible for its breathtaking beauty and unique ecosystems. While we can't predict precisely when or how Yellowstone's volcanic story will unfold, we can continue to study, monitor and marvel at this extraordinary place. Yellowstone serves as a potent reminder of both the power and the fragility of our planet. Yellowstone National Park, for all its serene beauty, rests upon a slumbering giant, its fiery breath a constant reminder of the Earth's raw power. Safeguarding this unique landscape while respecting its inherent volatility demands vigilance and a deep understanding of the forces at play. It falls upon a dedicated group of scientists and park rangers to act as guardians of this restless giant. Their mission, to monitor Yellowstone's every twitch and tremor, to decipher the whispers of the Earth and anticipate potential hazards. They are the first line of defense, charged with ensuring the safety of visitors and protecting the park's irreplaceable natural wonders. Monitoring Yellowstone's volcanic activity is a 24/7 operation, a symphony of cutting-edge technology and scientific expertise. A network of seismometers, strategically placed throughout the park, listens for the Earth's subtle tremors, recording every quiver and quake. These sensitive instruments can detect even the slightest movement of the Earth's crust, providing crucial data on the magma's movements deep below. GPS stations scattered across the park track the rise and fall of the ground surface with millimeter precision. Even the slightest uplift or subsidence, imperceptible to the naked eye, can signal changes in pressure within the magma chamber, providing early warnings of potential unrest. Beyond monitoring, preserving Yellowstone's natural wonders for future generations is paramount. This delicate ecosystem, shaped by fire and water over millennia, faces threats from human impact and climate change. Park authorities must strike a balance between welcoming visitors and safeguarding the very essence of this wild place. Strict regulations govern visitor behavior, ensuring minimal disturbance to wildlife and fragile geothermal features. Educational programs emphasize the importance of leave no trace principles, encouraging visitors to treat this natural treasure with respect and reverence. Preserving Yellowstone's legacy is not just the responsibility of scientists and park rangers, it's a shared obligation for all who cherish this natural wonder. By staying informed about the park's volcanic activity, respecting park regulations, and supporting conservation efforts, we can all contribute to safeguarding this irreplaceable treasure. Yellowstone, with its fiery heart and untamed beauty, stands as a testament to the power of nature and the importance of our role as stewards of this planet. It's a reminder that our actions, however small, can have a lasting impact on the future of this extraordinary place. As our journey through Yellowstone National Park draws to a close, we're left with a profound sense of awe and respect for this extraordinary landscape. Yellowstone is a paradox, a place of immense power and delicate beauty, of fiery destruction and vibrant life. It's a testament to the dynamic forces that shape our planet, a reminder that we are but temporary custodians of this Earth. The geothermal wonders that captivate millions of visitors each year are a direct consequence of the immense volcanic forces at play beneath the surface. These geysers, hot springs and mud pots are not merely geological curiosities. They are windows into the Earth's fiery heart, offering glimpses of the processes that have shaped our planet for billions of years. We've explored the recent thermal activity that has shaken this land, reminding us of the sleeping giant that lies beneath. We've delved into the geological history of Yellowstone, uncovering a past marked by both fiery cataclysms and periods of remarkable tranquility. And we've contemplated the potential future impacts of this volcanic activity, acknowledging both the risks and the resilience of this extraordinary ecosystem. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Yellowstone National Park. Your support, by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, enables us to continue creating content that informs, inspires and sparks curiosity about the natural world. We hope you'll stay tuned for more fascinating journeys into the heart of our planet's wonders. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.